buying investment property and building a portfolio of investment property is really good for generating some wealth for you and your family. But it's really important to protect that wealth. So one thing is building or generating that wealth. The next thing is being able to protect that wealth and being able to keep that wealth. So it's really important you get the right strategies in place to protect your wealth. That all starts in the very beginning by getting your accountant to make sure that you're buying in the right structure to protect your wealth and the wealth that you may be passing down to your children. So seeing an accountant at the beginning is really important to make sure you get the right structure. Once you start buying investment properties or properties in general, really important to make sure you've got the right insurances in place. So you'll be wanting to speak to a financial planner, which is really important, or an insurance expert. Make sure that you've got your life insurance, maybe your income protection insurance, and maybe your total and permanent disability insurance in place, because you have to minimize your risk and try and be planning for all different things that could happen unexpectedly. Losing your job, losing your job or losing your income through disability, and making sure that all this hard work you've done of buying the properties, in some cases you might be negative cash flow per month on a property, so you're subsidizing an investment property each month. So you want to be protecting that so you can hold the asset for the long term. So you need to have those covered. Also really important, protect the wealth of you and your family, is to make sure that you've spoken to a wills and an estates lawyer to make sure that you've got the right wills in place to protect those properties and they're going to the right people when something happens, and also your estate planning. So if something happens to you or you and your partner, that the estate know what to do with those properties. So do you want them all sold? Do you want them passed down to the children? Or what do you want? So there's a lot of planning that needs to go into protecting your wealth. At Property Powerhouse, we've got a big network of really tried and tested experts. We would be happy to recommend or introduce you, we should say, to a good panel of accountants to help you understand what structures you need to get in place, or insurance experts or financial planners, and also lawyers that do family law with the wills and estate planning. Really important you're having these conversations with these experts well in advance before you need them and before you need those things to actually kick in. So really important. Investment property, a great way to build your wealth and generate wealth, but you need to protect it and you need to be able to keep it. Garth Davis from Property Powerhouse. Reach out to us if we can help. Thank you so much.